What do you think?
Big rig. BC.
I'm gonna see if they'll let us film their rig. It might be the newest custom rigs video, and I am stoked. I've never seen up close and personal a semi pulling a fifth wheel. I mean, we see it while driving on the highway going the opposite way. We've seen it a couple times, but this is the closest I've ever been, and I cannot wait. I really hope that they'll be willing to allow us to let us film, so we'll see what happens.
Quiet. It's got Oklahoma plates. It's shower day and laundry day, so our camper is a mess. Everything gets displaced because our shower is also our storage room, so when we want to shower we got to pull everything out. And we keep often our laundry bag and our basket and other stuff in there. Today, pulling it all out, and we have the dreadful laundry day. Got a very full heavy bag here. Hopefully we can get it all done in one load. About to find out.
Laundry has to be one of the worst things about traveling full-time. Definitely something that we didn't really expect before hitting the road. And just the thought of going to a laundromat, sitting there waiting for your laundry to finish is horrible. That's like an hour and a half of time wasted. And then it's like, can we leave? Can we leave our clothes in the washer and dryer and not feel like someone's gonna steal them? I don't know. Who would steal dirty clothes? Probably somebody. But definitely a waste of time. I really miss being back in a house and doing laundry.
Thank you very much.
That was it? We've enjoyed our time here in Yuma, and we're at this beautiful pond, but we've reached day 8. I'm surprised that we've made it this far with our black tank. Usually day 7, we're angry people because we can smell the terrible gases coming from the black tank. But we're on day 8, and we know it's probably time we need to go dump. However, we don't want to leave this spot. We bought our annual fishing license, and we want to continue to fish while we're here, so I'm gonna hold down the fort while Jacob goes and does the nasty dump thing. So I'm gonna fight off some people. It's very competitive to try and get a spot here, and I'm afraid that if we both go to the dump, we'll come back and our stuff will be stolen and we won't have a spot.
I don't know about that. But it is a wide space that we're taking up compared to what a lot of people are here.
A lot of van lifers are here, and we're in a 40-foot long rig, so yeah, fun.
All right, ward them off.
Dump day.
Dump day.
Going to dump.
holding down the fort.
And I was on a highway and there's a sheet of ice, eh? And my feet were.
Having freshly emptied tanks gave me the perfect opportunity to replace the seals on our Thetford toilet. After a year and a half of full-time living, it was showing some wear and not holding water as well. If you want to see my full how-to video, I've included the link for it in the description below. I've also included a product link for the seals I'm using below as well.
It's in on that side. Is it in on the other side?
Yeah, it's in. I'm just making sure that the seal is sitting on the...
I was gonna say, could it be the seal?
It's the new seal, probably. Yeah, it's definitely sitting on it. And I noticed the other one was really compressed into it, and so this just tells me, you know, really got to compress it down onto the new seal. Just making sure it's sitting on there right. Still off a little bit. More like that, right? It's definitely sitting on the center of it, the way that conical shape is.
So now what?
So, okay, I think we got it lined up where we want it. We use our 1/2-inch bolts, bolt it back down to the floor, and seal that new toilet seal down.